In this video, we'll show how to automatically add links to email addresses in a PDF document using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. To do this method, click on the Menu button, then click on the Plugins button, select the Links option, click on Generate Links, and select the Add Links to Email Address button. Here, click on the Edit Appearance button. Select the desired link appearance, such as color and link type in this tab. When desired settings are selected, click on the OK button to apply these configurations. To inspect the links, hover over the text that you wanted to add the links to. As you can see, the links that represent the email addresses have been added. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.